Welcome to the pinnacle of Sarasota luxury. This is Penthouse 1701 at 1350 Main Street, an exquisite retreat in the heart of downtown Sarasota, where sophistication meets coastal charm. Perched high above the city, this luxury residence offers breathtaking panoramic views, high-end finishes, and an unparalleled urban meets waterfront lifestyle. As you step inside, you're greeted by an expansive open-concept design, bathed in natural light. Every detail of this penthouse is meticulously designed, featuring state-of-the-art appliances, high-end finishes, and refined elegance at every turn. The Gourmet chef's kitchen boasts sleek custom cabinetry, premium stainless steel appliances, and a spacious island perfect for entertaining. The primary suite is a true sanctuary, offering unrivaled comfort and style. Wake up to golden sunrises from your private terrace and indulge in the spa-inspired ensuite bathroom. It's complete with dual vanities, dual water closets, and a walk-in shower. At 1350 Main, residents enjoy world-class amenities, including a resort-style heated pool, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and concierge services that cater to your needs. But what truly sets this penthouse apart is its location. Downtown Sarasota is a vibrant blend of art, culture, and fine dining, all just steps from your door. Indulge in culinary excellence at Selva Grill, Classico, Cafe Epicure, Indigenous, Mediterraneo, or enjoy casual waterfront dining at O'Leary's Tiki Bar and Grill. Explore the city's thriving arts and culture scene with performances at the Sarasota Opera House, Van Wezel Performing Arts Hall, and the Ringling Museum. As the sun sets, Sarasota's nightlife comes alive. Sip handcrafted cocktails at State Street, catch live jazz at the Gator Club, or take a scenic evening stroll along the Bayfront Park Marina. For those who love the boating lifestyle, Marina Jack is just moments away, offering luxury yacht charters, sunset cruises, and waterfront dining with unparalleled views. Whether you're setting sail for the day or enjoying a peaceful evening by the water, Sarasota's bayside beauty is yours to embrace. This is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle of elegance, comfort, and exclusivity. 1350 Main Street, Unit 1701, is your opportunity to experience the best of Sarasota living from the most spectacular vantage point in the city. Ready to elevate your lifestyle? Schedule your private tour today and discover why this penthouse is truly one of Sarasota's finest addresses. Luxury, location, lifestyle. It all begins here.